In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects to Google Slides. Whether you're preparing a class presentation, working on a business report, or just looking to add a bit more pizzazz to your slides, incorporating sound can make a significant difference. So let's dive in and get you started with this simple yet powerful feature. First, you'll need to head on over to Google Slides. This is an online presentation tool offered by Google, and you can access it just by searching for Google Slides in your browser or by heading directly to Google Drive. Once there, be sure to sign into your Google account, as this will allow you to access all your projects and save your work seamlessly. Once you've logged in, find your way to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see all your existing presentations as well as the option to start a new one. Today, let's proceed by creating a blank presentation. This is where we'll add our sound effects to better demonstrate the process. With your new blank presentation open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the menu bar. Click on the Insert option. This drop-down menu is packed with elements you can add to your slides, such as images, shapes, charts, and importantly for today's session, audio. Within the Insert menu, go ahead and click on Audio. This action will open a window that allows you to insert audio files into your presentation. You should note that the audio must be stored in your Google Drive to be accessible. If you haven't uploaded your desired sound file yet, pause here and upload your audio to Google Drive, ensuring it's in M4A, MP3, WAV, or similar compatible formats. After locating your audio file in Google Drive, select it. As you do this, you'll notice an audio icon appears on your slide. You can move this icon around and place it wherever you deem appropriate on your slide. It operates like any other element within Google Slides, permitting you to resize and reposition it as needed. Now is a great time for a little tip. Make sure to customize your audio play settings. Click on the audio icon and you'll see the format options pane appear on the right hand side. Here you can choose to have your audio play automatically when you arrive on the specific slide, or have it play only when you click the icon. Adjust the volume slider to suit your presentation's needs, and if desired, check the Stop on Slide Change box to end playback when moving to the next slide. And that's it, you've successfully added sound effects to your Google Slides presentation. Feel free to personalize it further by adjusting the audio settings to align with the overall flow and aesthetic of your presentation. Adding audio can truly elevate the viewer's experience, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your next presentation. Thanks for watching and happy creating.